Why it happens is because of AI. Okay, and if you observe, once you update your phone, your cameras get better. It takes better photos. Why is that? Your cameras as a software is inbuilt with the AI model. So that model will help you to enhance that photos. Hardware is same. You are not changing the phone. The hardware is same, but the software has enhanced because of the AI complexity and all. It will understand where you are, or where you are standing at, whether there is enough light or not, that all the stuff. Okay, so that's one. So your photos are getting better and better. Then the next stuff is Gmail understanding you? Right, nowadays you don't actually reply to the Gmails. So Gmail automatic reply will come. You'll just say like I'll come, I'll go, like that. So automatic replies. Even for WhatsApp, it will come in next few days. Okay. So your WhatsApp does not have that right now. They are working on it. So your WhatsApp will automatically reply to that. Have you had your dinner? Based on your conversation, you say like I had the dinner, like that. Okay. So that's the point. Next, you can watch YouTube in any language now. So YouTube was restricted to only one particular language in which he is uploaded. Now you can watch the same YouTube just by language translate. You can watch it in any language you want. Like for example, if you cannot understand English very well, you can watch that in Marathi and all. So those kind of stuff. Then is phone gonna predicting what you're gonna type? For example, in your Marathi and all, if you say like good morning and all, if you just type good morning, will be auto completed. Hope you know that. But actually, you are typing that in English. You understand this? You are typing Marathi in English. Have you observed? Like you are typing actually Marathi in English, but still it is going to predict what next word you will type in, that too in English letters. So that means it is actually learning. That is called as federated learning. Okay. So then camera is detecting shopping list, what are the possible shirts and all. So this is a point. Okay. So next thing is Instagram totally exists because of AI. So you can see over here, if you play with the Instagram and all, so these all stuffs are possible. You are a fan of Instagram just because of AI. So just playing with the AI models there. So then what's the agenda? Today we will speak about, I do have very less time because half of the time is taken up by introduction itself. So the point here is, so I try to minimize. I'll keep very simple by 1:15. I'll try to wind up. Another thing is, I have a demo how to train a machine learning model that we will demonstrate later post lunch. Okay, so that we can manage the time. So first thing is we will understand what is AI, ML, and DL. Then why learn AI? So then chart models and all, how future is and all. So if you look at the history, most people think that AI is booming since 2010, something like that, 2015, something like that. But actually this was tossed in 1950. By the time we got the independence, somewhere around 2-3 years, AI started by there itself. So this was actually tossed by Aryan Turing for the first time. So now actually it is taking pace. So now everybody is talking about, that's the reason we think that AI is very new. AI is not new. AI is back in 1950 itself. So we are implementing it right now. So that's the point why you're experiencing, that's why you're enjoying it now. So that's why you're talking about it. So why it is called AI? The first question comes in, why it is called artificial intelligence? So the point here is, we call it as artificial intelligence because it's a science of intelligent programs. If you look at the computer programs, they will just do simple tasks like 2 + 2 is 4, 5 + 5 is 10, like that. Now, computer has to think on its own and decide. For example, if you get an OTP in your phone, it will say OTP detected, should you want to autofill it? Would you like to copy OTP? Like that. How it is trained? So based on AI, it is thinking the text message, it is analyzing that message and telling you what needs to be done. For example, if you copy something, instantly it will try to understand it. If you copy something, you will paste it. So it will give option for pasting, like that. The computer has to think and tell us. So rather than me taking a decision, it has to take decision and decide. So that's the one point. So the point here is AI is all about intelligent programs. And another point is AI have implemented this stuff, and we are in general we are calling it as AI. Okay. So AI is what actually, it's a problem solving idea where we are collectively using many areas together in only one domain. Okay. So it uses statistics, it uses calculus, and you don't need to understand all those stuff, but still you should get good to know that it uses everything. Then comes the point, why you need intelligence. So the question comes, artificial intelligence is there, then why computer need intelligence? So the answer for this is very simple. Actually, I am contradicting what the VC sir said. VC sir said people are intelligent, machines are stupid. but I'm contradicting now. Now what I'm saying is, people are stupid, actually the machines are smart. So you can see over here, the remote was introduced because there was people who are using bamboo to operate TV. Hope you're getting my point. So the remote was introduced because there was someone who was using bamboo to operate the TV, and there are people who don't know the difference between push and pull. Okay, hope you're getting my point. So you can see over here, the sliding doors in the shopping malls have been introduced because people are getting confused between push and pull. So hope you're getting my point. We want to make the things intelligent because people are stupid and lazy. Hope you're getting my point. That's the point. So we are stupid and lazy. We should accept it. Okay. So we are not smart enough to the level of computer science. We have creativity. We have creativity, but we lack in intelligence. We based on the factors, we become dumb. For example, if you tell any person who is in love about anything intelligent, they will not accept it because they are in love. Because they are dumb. Now we need machine to train them. Hope you are getting my point. So that's the idea. So next, why we need AI powered cars, self-driving cars? Because people are stupid in driving. You can see many people doing like this, right? In the parking lot, going front and coming back and taking it again, and you will be hating him like, why the hell you are taking like this? You should not take like this. Somebody is behind it. Like these all things are happening because why? He's not good at driving. So what if we apply cameras everywhere? Then if you tell the computer car itself to park, it will park itself, right? Your whole intelligence itself is vested there. You go outside of the car, it will park itself. It will drive itself in the road. That's the point. So that's the reason if all the cars in the road are AI powered, there will be no traffic jam at all. The reason is all the cars knows each other's location. So that means they will decide what needs to be done so that traffic can be avoided. And even same happens with the ambulance. Most of the times you can see in the traffic jam, what actually happens, ambulance will get caught. So to avoid that, what we can do is ambulance will be the highest priority. All the AI cars know that suddenly they will go off the lane so that ambulance will go easily. So this is possible because of AI powered cars. Okay. So this is a very distance feature. So actually this is a basic, the brain of AI, there will be input, there will be processing and output. It looks like a computer itself. So there will be input, there will be output, there will be some processing. But in between, there is no one single round there. So there are many, that is, there is too many processing. How actually it looks is this one. So there will be inputs, there will be weights allocated to that, there will be some function and all. So it will do the stuff and it will give output. I will give an example for this so that you can understand. So and the next point is you can see over it is based on the maths and biology. Okay, so the synapses which are there, the neuron concept is taken from the biology and these weights biases are from the mathematics. Okay. So let me give an example for this. So it's very simple. So now, if you see a car on the road, your brain will instantly detect that it's a car. How it is knowing that? Suppose there is a car coming on the road, instantly your brain will identify it as a car. How it will identify? What's the reason for that? Since childhood, you have been looking at cars and somebody is there to tell you that it's a car. So whenever something comes with the wheels and some flashy painting, it is a car. And your brain is keep on thinking about it. Now, if something looks like a car itself, you will say it's a car. It can be toy, it's a working car, it's a demo car. It does not matter. When you look at it, you will identify it as car. Hope you are getting my point. So if you look at this, something like this, you will identify it as bottle. It does not matter whether it is an alcohol bottle or water bottle. You will identify as bottle because bottle looks like this, right? That's what we are trying to do here. So you will give too many images of cats, you will give too many images of dogs. Then the machine has to learn based on the images given how cat looks and how dog looks. We are not asking to identify a tail, we are not asking to identify a fur and all. So we are just giving the images. The computer has to understand how it looks. We are not telling to how to think. It has to identify how to think. That's the point here. Okay, hope you are getting the difference. Okay, so let me give an example. So then next point comes is why now? So why the artificial intelligence is taking pace and all. So this is the point. In India and in China and all, we have too much population. Even from all over the world, we have too many population. Whenever there is too much population, there will be problems. Whenever there is too much, for example, if there are too many vehicles on the road, that leads to traffic jam. If there are too many graduates, there will be a job problem, like that. So whenever there is a problem, population, there will be problems. Then what are the problems? For example, the problem with the food will come. Then the problem with health will come. Then the problem with the comfort and education will come. So these are all the problems which are created because of population. So now all the companies will try to solve this problem and make money. Let me give you an example. Too much population, husband and wife goes for work. There is no one to cook inside your home. The problem is regarding food. So now somebody is cooking the food. Where they are cooking? In the hotel, the food is already been cooked. There is someone who is hungry. Hope you are getting my point. Somebody is cooking it, somebody is hungry. So now, because of the population and they are working, both are working. So now, the solution is we have to bring the food from the hotel to the house. So this has been solved by Zomato. Hope you are getting my point. So actually, population create problems. Problems are solved by corporates, and corporates will make money out of that problem. For example, if you go to Bangalore, you book a cab. You cannot get inside the bus because bus is too much crowded. And in Karnataka, we have freebies and all. All the buses are crowded with women only. There is no space for men. And since the introduction of free buses, I have stopped traveling in buses. It's totally hell because the whole women tickets are free, right? All buses are crowded with women only buses and all like that. So now the point here is, to solve that, I need to go from some place to some place. Now I'm in Bangalore, what to do? So I book a cab using my phone. Cabs are somewhere, I am somewhere, I can book using solve. So problems can be solved like that, okay? Now the point comes is, human beings have limitations, that's another factor. Because you cannot work more than 8 hours, you cannot work 16 hours like that. So then, and another thing is, if you go to government offices, you can see, they will always be bored or like they don't entertain or treat you properly. The reason is, they are tired of too many works or too many tasks. So that's the one factor. So human brain is one limitation, and then there is boredom. So to solve all this, the only solution is automation. So we have to automate the things. That is, we can introduce some app so that it can solve the problem. Okay. So we can introduce something inside your phone so that it can solve the problem. So this is the idea. So the whole idea is, population will always create problems. To solve that, we need to automate it. So to make it automatically, we have to solve that. To make the things automatic, we have to make the machines learn. So that's the point. So what's the solution is, we have to use machine learning. So artificial intelligence is totally based on what? Machine learning. Hope you got the idea? So the whole idea of artificial intelligence to machine learning. So the now comes how to train or how to train that machine. Before understanding machine learning, let's understand just computers. What actually computer does. If you understand properly what computer does, then you can understand the machine learning very easily. I'll give a very basic example. Imagine there is a robot, a 5-year-old kind of small robot, which does not have own intelligence. Hope you are getting my point. There is a small robot which does not have any intelligence on its own. It's not AI powered. It's a normal robot which is based on computer. That's it. A small robot which walks and does things. Now, imagine I have a robot with me. I will give 100 rupees note to it. Now it has to go to some shop. It has to get a Oreo biscuit bundle. So this is a task. So instructions. First instruction is take 100 rupees note. Second instruction, go to the shop. Third instruction, get the Oreo biscuit. Fourth instruction, come back to house. Very simple. Okay, now can anybody tell me what will happen if the shop is closed? The robot is there, it will take 100 rupees. It will go to the shop. Right? The shop is there, shop is there. It will go. Now if the shop is open, what it will do? It will give 100 rupees note, it will give a Oreo biscuit and it will come back. Okay. Now the point here is, now the shop door is closed. What it will do? If you answer this correctly, then only you understood computers. Come on, what it will do? Options, options. So let me give you some options. Will it stay there? First question. Second question, will it come back? What it will do? Stay there. If it is a good computer which obeys my instructions, it has to stay there indefinitely. How long? How long? How long? It will just stand there like it's a shop, right? It will just stand here like this. How long? How long? Till the battery runs out, one option, or till the shop is open. If he opens it again, it will do what? It will ask for Oreo. Now imagine it has bought a Oreo biscuit bundle. Now this is the situation. While going, everything was fine. Road was fine. Everything was fine. While coming back, some JCB has dug a pit. Some JCB has dug a pit. Now the question is whether the robot will fall into the ditch or it will jump. Depends. Actually, 4 instructions. We have given only 4 instructions. Based on that, you should tell whether it will fall in the ditch or it will jump. So the right answer for this is it has to fall in the ditch, because we have not given the instruction that what happens if for this situation. Hope you are getting my point. If you think your robot will jump and come to your house, no, this is one situation. Another context. How much you have given? 100 rupees. How much? Hardly 20 rupees. What about the rest 80? Will it ask or will it not? It will not ask for it, because why? We have not given the instruction. Hope you are getting my point. So all based on what? Instruction, instruction, and instruction. How many instructions you will give? Collect the money, coming back, there is a pit, you jump. If somebody holds you and you like shout and come back. If somebody takes you in the bag and go away, what you will do? Like you have to write for all possibilities, right? Is it possible to think all possibilities? No, it's very tedious to program. So the only solution is we have to train it via AI. So if you train it with the AI, it will learn like us only. How we run? Like for example, if somebody grabs you, what do you do? You will run away. Why run away? If someone grabs you instantly, you have to run away. That's the point. Hope you are getting my point. You are not being instructed. You have learned that. So that's the idea. So this is what the traditional programming is. You give the input as 2 and 2. Normal programming. How